Let's get to know each other. We're still a small shop with stationery and cat toys, but this is just the beginning. Of course, we're planning to grow and expand. Your opinion truly matters to us. Tell us in the comments what you'd love to see from us. We genuinely want to create something special just for you. Also, tell us who you are and where you're from. We're so curious to see how far this video has traveled. And please share with us, do you enjoy our content? We'll be grateful for every bit of feedback. And a little interactive moment just for you. A kitty will appear once in the video, can you spot it? And be honest, would you like to see the kitty more often?